So we just harvested these eggplants. So I'm going to show you how to cook them. So first of all, of course I have washed them and now we are going to slit them. So you just slit them halfway through along the length. So there is a cavity here. Now we can fill spices in it. So on the other side, there's no cut. It's only the cut is only halfway through, or I mean, little bit more than halfway through. So we are going to do that with every single one of. Okay, so now we have slit all our eggplants. So now we have to prepare the spice filling. So here I have my spice box. I just messed up here the red chili powder spread all over this, but that's fine. They are going to be mixed up in any case. So we'll start with coriander powder. So one, two, there are quite a bit of eggplants here. So 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, about half teaspoon of red chili powder. If you don't want to have it, that's fine. And little bit less than half teaspoon of uh, turmeric powder, then about 3/4 of teaspoon of dried mango powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I also have some cumin seeds and coriander seeds roasted and then ground. So I'm going to put maybe 1 teaspoon of that. And it's optional. I've taken half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, roasted them and then ground them coarsely. Just mix up all the spices, make sure there are no lumps. And now we have to fill these. So just take a little bit and put it inside. And because the powder mixture is dry, it kind of goes easily. You basically want to have enough spices here so that when it is cooked, you know every bite gets those spices. And on the side, just spread it a little bit. Just be gentle because you may tear it apart into 2 pieces. Almost done with the spices. So that's the difficult part in filling these things. Sometimes your spice mixture will be over, you have filled too much, sometimes too much is left over, but that's fine. So we have filled up all our eggplants. So our pan is heating up. So I'm going to put a generous amount of oil, about 2 teaspoons. Then I'm going to just add these pieces. So you can keep the ends, but they'll not fit in my pan, so I'm just going to cut them. And then you kind of roll it in the oil so they are coated in oil from all sides. Okay, going to cover it and turn the heat to medium. So it's been a couple of minutes. So once in a while, come back, open it up, and turn them around so that they get cooked from all sides equally. By the way, I pick it up by hand because I'm pretty used to it. You shouldn't try it if you are not used to it. They are almost ready. You can see they are like really soft and they are cooked from all sides. So, like this dark color is what you want, but you won't get it from all sides because it's hard to turn them in all different directions. Now it seems they are ready. So I'm going to just turn off the heat and let them cook a little bit more. So they are ready. I'm going to take them out. So stuffed eggplants are ready as a side dish. So you first prepare the filling, which is, all the spices that you want to put. I put coriander seeds powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, dried mango powder, garam masala, and salt, and roasted cumin seeds and coriander seeds ground, and just fill them up and saute the eggplants till they are soft and cooked from all sides, and it's ready to serve. And you can eat it with rice and dal or with roti. So I hope this video was informational to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.